Hello everyone, and welcome to Information Technology Essentials. My name is Eric Frick and I'll be your instructor for this class. I've put this class together as part of a series of classes for entry-level computer science students. Becoming a full-stack developer requires much more than just knowing how to write programs. This is the first class in the series and starts off with the basics of information technology. This class is based on the typical entry-level class that a first-year computer science student would take. This class will start off with a history of computing and also include some information about the IT industry in general. Following this, I've included some lessons that will give you the basic understanding of how a computer functions from a hardware standpoint. After looking at computer hardware, we'll look at the basic operations of a computer network and how the internet is structured. After looking at basic hardware operations, we'll then look at computer software. We'll first look at the software development lifecycle and how software is built. We'll also take a look at the computer operating system function, which is a primary software that runs your computer. Following that section, I have included some brief lessons to look at mobile computing. Over the last few years, mobile computing has been introduced into almost every aspect of our lives. This represents a large opportunity for new software developers. In the next section, we'll look at cloud computing and why it's important in the IT industry today. We'll discuss some primary definitions of cloud computing and look at some of the top cloud computing companies in the market today. I'll also show you how to sign up for a free account with Amazon and do some simple operations in AWS. I've also included a section of basic computer security. Computer security has become increasingly important in the computer science field and touches almost everyone on a daily basis. We'll look at basic security threats that are out in the market today, as well as general strategies for securing computers. In the final section, we'll look briefly at the future of computing. We'll look at some of the emerging technologies and some of the hot areas of information technology. By the end of this class, you'll have a firm grasp on the basic concepts of information technology. It'll give you a great introduction and some great background before you start a more detailed computer science training project. For this class, you only need a computer with a web browser. You don't need to install any additional software to work the lab exercises. All of the quizzes and labs can be done online. Thank you so much for attending this class, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.